Alright, Unit 2, introduce yourself. Let's get this last one in. Let's start the challenge and wrap up the level. Use headphones to get familiar. Try da. We've been through this before.
Excuse-moi,
Oh.
tu es mexicaine?
Excusez-moi, tu es mexicain? Excuse me, are you Mexican? No, je suis française. Français, if you're a guy. You don't say française if you're a girl, so. Tu manges une orange. Un croissant. Un croissant. Spelled the same, right? Oops. Croissant. Oops, I put an S on there. Un croissant. I cheated. I used the little pre-thing. Good night, Paul. Bonne nuit, Paul. Bonne nuit, Paul. Paul.
Une femme mexicaine.
Une femme mexicaine. So, Mexican woman. Une femme mexicaine. Merci, Paul. Merci. Done. Check. Check. A girl is une fille.
Une fille.
I am doing well. Ça va bien. Is there a special thing on this? Just a ça? Yeah, I knew there was a tick underneath it. Or an accent. I'm doing very well. Thank you. Ça va très bien. Merci.
Merci.
Ça va très bien. Merci. That was kind of weird. I am doing well, and you? Ça va bien? Et vous, right? Let's do that little tick thing. Ça va bien? Et vous? Or et toi? Is that right? Is it the ES or the ET? Yeah, it's the ET. A sweat and brain sweat on that one. Da-da! I gotta learn the pause thing so I can... I forgot to check if I can pause the video so you guys don't have to hear the ads and stuff like that I get punished with. Perfect lesson, no mistakes. Yeah, these are just easy peasy things, but I want to go through this entire course.
Are you sure you're sleeping on the best mattress for your back?
Oui.
Hi, I'm Dr. Carmen.
And I'm Dr.
Vous êtes sûr? Vous allez dormir? I don't know how to say that. The best. How do you say the best? La plus bonne? Mattress? I don't know. It's Franglish. All right, so we did it. Introducing ourselves. Let's start this one. What is this? Story. Oh, we should make another video for this. Man, I should stop the video and just start a new one. The stories are the best. This is the Duolingo Spice.
Un rendez-vous.
A rendezvous. Yeah, I'm gonna start I'm gonna start another video so we can get the full effect of this. I'll see you guys there, and we'll see un rendezvous.